You can't see it because my controllers are on my lap, but I'm playing two analog sticks. They help with things. Well, it's because it's the control style. It's called 2.x control style. It's accurate. It's more accurate. Ah! That was a sick run. Oh, that was still a 16 with the sneeze, with the fucking side boost, with the second stuck in the glass almost. I gotta highlight that. That is fucking funny. That run. That run was so funny. That run was so fucking retarded. That run was so sick though. The start was retarded, and then everything it's just like was so bad. Oh my god.